In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your Shopify store effectively using theme customization tools. So let's dive right in and explore how you can give your store a unique touch that aligns perfectly with your brand identity. Let's begin our journey by heading over to the Shopify admin panel. This is your main control center where all the magic happens. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the My Store homepage. From here, we'll navigate to the theme customization area to start making those dynamic changes. Now, let's proceed to the fun part. On this homepage, you'll see an option labeled Customize under the Themes section. Clicking on this button will open up the theme editor. This powerful tool allows you to modify various elements of your store's appearance, making it truly representative of your brand. As this loads, make sure you're envisioning how you want your store to look to ensure any changes you make are cohesive and strategic. Once the theme editor is open, focus your attention towards the top of the screen where you'll notice a little gear icon. This icon is crucial as it houses settings for detailed theme adjustments. Click on it to explore these settings further. Here you can adjust parameters specific to your theme, allowing you to tailor it specifically to your needs. Next up, let's shift our attention to the logo section. Your logo is a vital part of your store's identity, so it's essential to ensure it's prominently displayed and looks just right. Within the editor, you'll find an option to click on the logo. It's time to either upload a new logo that fits perfectly with your brand's ethos or adjust the existing one. Consider the size and spacing to ensure it fits well and enhances, rather than distracts from, your store's overall aesthetic. Finally, let's talk about the favicon. This small yet significant aspect can often be overlooked. Your favicon is the tiny icon that appears in the browser tab next to your site's title. It's another great opportunity for branding, so head over to the favicon settings in the theme editor. Here you can upload your favicon image, making sure it's clear and recognizable, as it will represent your store even in the smallest of spaces. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to customize your Shopify store's appearance and elevate your brand identity. By carefully selecting and customizing these elements, you're not only enhancing the visual appeal of your store, but also creating a more engaging and memorable experience for your visitors. So get creative, have fun with it, and watch your store transform into a compelling online shopping destination.